Hello children, see we have started with the grammar lessons. Also we have completed many lessons, and that too in content we have started with parts of speech. So one by one we have seen, we have learnt it, also we have tried to solve the exercises. Now the next, as we have seen nouns lesson, adjectives we have seen, then verbs, also pronouns, we have seen all these lessons, articles, many things we have learnt in grammar. Now the next lesson will be starting with adverbs. So if you see this lesson, the name itself, it tells that adverbs. Add means what? Where we are going to add something extra. That is called as add. So add plus verb means additional information about verb. If we are going to tell something more about a verb, that is called as adverb. So if I write a sentence, Ram swims fast. You see here the subject is Ram, the verb is swims. Okay. Now how Ram swims, or in what manner he swims? He swims very fast. He swims fast. So this fast is an adverb. This is called as adverb because it is telling more information about a verb. In what way he swims? He swims fast. So the additional information about a verb is called as an adverb. So this was the definition for adverb. If you see there also, see two things we can see here. Now first I told Ram swims fast. Here we have told something additional information about a verb. If you take the other sentence, Sudha is a very beautiful girl. Sudha is a very beautiful girl. Now here if you see, the verb is. The verb is and subject is Sudha. If you see what is the next thing, Sudha is a very beautiful girl. So what information we are getting about Sudha? That she is beautiful, but how much beautiful she is, in that is very. So this is an adverb. Now we can say here that this, if in the second sentence the adverb very tells us more about the adjective. Now beautiful is an adjective. Okay, beautiful is an adjective. So in first sentence we have seen that the first sentence, it tells more about the verb. That is, in what way? Ram swims fast. This is fast is an adverb and verb is swim. So in what way? Means here we have seen it is, this adverb is telling more about a verb, or this verb it tells more about than adverb. But in second sentence if you see, adverb is what? It also tells more about an adjective. Now here adjective we see that beautiful is an adjective, but how she is? Very beautiful. Means what is adverb? Adverb, it tells more about an adjective also, more about a verb also. Now if you take the third sentence, Ram swam too fast. Ram swam too fast and won the championship. Here if you see, in third sentence, here if you see, swam is a verb and fast is an adverb, but the other word is there, we can see this too. This is also an adverb. So the three things we can see in adverb, that first is what? Adverb is what? it tells more about a verb, it tells more about an adjective, it tells more about an another adverb. So these three things we can see in adverb. What is the definition for adverb? Adverb is a word that tells more about a verb here, it tells more about an adjective, it tells more about an another adverb. So this is the definition for adverb. I hope you have understood with the definition. Now we will be seeing the types of adverbs. What are the types of adverbs? And then we will be moving for the exercises. So types of adverbs are, we can see there are 5 types of adverbs. So one by one we will go through it. So first one is adverb of manner. Types of adverb. Types of adverb. So first one is adverbs of manner. First is adverbs of manner. Okay. Adverb of manner. So here if you see, if I write a sentence that Reena danced gracefully. Reena danced gracefully. In what manner? If you ask the question how, for this you will be getting the answer. How does Reena dance? How does she dance? She danced gracefully. Gracefully is an adverb and verb is dance. So how did Reena dance? She danced gracefully. So if you ask the question how, you will be getting the answer for adverb of manner. In what manner the action has been done. So that is called as adverb of manner. Then here it is told that adverbs of manner tell us how or in what manner an action is done. That is called as adverb of manner. Okay. Then one more thing is what? Second one, if you see, second type of adverb is adverb of place. Second is adverb of place. And the question we are going to ask here, where? First one was what? Adverb of manner. The question, if you ask how, you will be getting the answer for adverb of manner, that in what manner or how the action is done. Then we will be getting the answer for adverb of manner. Second is adverbs of place. So here if you ask the question where, see now, I looked for my pet there. I looked for my pet there. Now there is an adverb. So adverbs of place. Now here if you ask the question where did I look for my pet? I looked for my pet there. Means you will be getting the answer for adverbs of place. You will be getting the answer for adverbs of place. Means where did I look for my pet? I looked for my pet there. So this is the second type of adverb, that is adverbs of place. If you ask a question with starting with where, you will be getting the answer for that. Next is adverbs of time. Adverbs of time. When. So you are going to ask the question when. Then you will be getting the answer for adverbs of time. Adverbs of time. See, if I write like this, they will reach Delhi. They will reach Delhi tomorrow. They will reach Delhi tomorrow. So When will they reach Delhi? When will they reach Delhi? They will reach Delhi tomorrow. They will reach Delhi tomorrow. So, if you ask a question when, you will be getting the answer for adverbs of time. So, this is the third type of adverb. So, adverb of time, it tells when or what time the action is done. That will be the answer, that the time will be getting the answer for adverbs of time. I hope you have understood this. Then next is adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency. Next is adverbs of frequency. So here if you ask the question how often, means how many times, adverbs of frequency. How often? Okay. Suppose if I write the sentence, I go for morning, I go for morning walk, I go for morning walk regularly. So how often I go for a morning walk? Yes, how often I go for a morning walk? Regularly. See, if you ask the question how often, it tells adverbs of frequency, what it tells, how often or how frequently an action is done. So an action is done regularly. So if you ask the question how often, you will be getting the answer for adverbs of frequency. And the last is adverb of degree. Last is adverb of degree. Last one is adverb of degree. Then if you ask the question how much, if you ask the question how much, you will be getting the answer for this. For example, if I take this one, the tank is almost full. The tank is almost full. How much? How much the tank is full, or at what extent, till what extent it is. Then or how much or in what degree an action is done. The tank is almost full. So here you will be getting the answer for adverbs of degree. So these are the 5 types of adverbs. These are the 5 types of adverbs. That is, first one is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. Then if you ask the question how, you will be getting in what, how means what, if you say in what manner an action is done or how an action is done, then you will be getting the answer for how, in what manner an action has been done. In that time you will be getting the answer for adverb of manner. Second, adverb of place, that at what place or where an action is done. So you will be getting an answer for adverbs of place. Third type is adverbs of time. So here also at what time an action is done. So you will be getting the answer for action adverbs of time. And next, fourth one is what? Adverbs of frequency. So here also how often or how frequently an action is done. That time you will be getting the answer for adverbs of frequency. And the last is adverbs of degree. So here also how much or in what degree an action is done. That time you will be getting the answer for adverbs of degree. So these are the 5 types of adverbs. So what is an adverb? An adverb is a word that tells us more about a verb. It tells more about an adjective, and also it tells more about another adverb. And there are 5 types of adverbs, that is adverbs of manner. If you ask the question how, you will be getting the answer. Then adverbs of place. If you ask the question where, you will be getting the answer that where the action is done. Then if you third type is adverbs of time. Here at what time an action is done, you will be getting the answer for adverbs of time. Fourth is adverbs of frequency. How often the action is done, And fifth is adverbs of degree. Here you will be getting how much the action is done. So, you will be getting the answer for adverbs of degree. So, these are the 5 types of adverbs and the definition for adverb. If you see exercise A, underline the adverbs in the following sentences, circle the adjectives, verbs or adverbs they tell us about. We will be doing two examples for that. We will be doing 2 exercises, 2 examples for each exercise. So, you will be getting the answer for that. I told you 5 types of adverbs are adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of degree, adverbs of frequency and adverbs of place. These are the 5 types of adverbs. Now, we will be seeing for the next exercise. What they have told in exercise A, underline the adverbs in the sentence and circle the adjectives, verbs or adverbs they tell us about. If you see the first one, John won the race easily. First one, if you see, John won the race easily. Now, which is the verb here? The verb is won. So, what you are going to do? You are going to circle the adjective or verb they told. So, verb you are going to circle, and then what they have told? Underline the adverb. So, which is an adverb over here? Yes, easily. So, if you ask the question, in what manner John won the race? John won the race easily. If you ask the question, in what manner or how he won the race? He won the race easily. Okay. So, here this was the first example, and here what they have told, we have to circle the adjectives, circle the verbs or circle the adverbs, and you are going to underline the adverbs over here. So, this was the one, this was one of the example. If you take the other example, the baby cried bitterly. The baby cried bitterly. Okay. So, here also you can see one word, you can see the verb is there. So, cried is the verb, and how did the baby cry? The baby cried bitterly. So, this is the answer. In this way, you are going to solve the exercise A. In this way, you are going to solve the exercise A. Now, we will be moving to the next exercise, that is B. Underline the adverbs and mention their types. You are going to underline the adverbs, and you are going to write of which type they all are. First one, if you see, the teacher told us to read correctly. The teacher told us to read correctly. So, which if you write this sentence, we will take first 2 examples. The teacher told us to read correctly. So, which is the verb here? Told. Told is the verb, and which is an adjective? Correctly. So, in how we can ask the question that how did the teacher tell us to read? The teacher told us to read correctly. So, it is which type of adverb it is? Yes, it is adverbs of manner. It is adverbs of manner. So, in this way you are going to write like this, adverb of manner in front of that. You will underline the adverb first, not the verb. You will underline the adverb, and then you will write the answer in front of that. Next one, I met her occasionally at the park. I met her occasionally at the park. Here if you ask the question, if you ask the question here, how often did I met her? How often did I met her? I met her occasionally. So here which type of adverb it is? Yes, it is adverbs of frequency. It is adverb of frequency. So you are going to write the answer like this, adverbs of frequency. Okay. So in this way you are going to write the, you are going to underline the adverbs and you are going to write which type of adverbs it is in front of the answer, in front of that sentence. Then one more thing is what? How to form adverbs. So we have studied the definition of an adverb, what is an adverb, then we have seen the types of adverbs, also we have solved some of the examples from the exercise. But now the next thing is what? How to form adverbs. How you are going to form adverbs. So if you see, suppose one example, if I take quiet, quiet. So how you are going to form adverbs? Here you are going to add ly to an adjective. Now quiet is what? It is an adjective. Quiet is what? It is an adjective. You are going to add ly to an adjective to get an adverb. If you add ly, you will be getting an adverb. Second one, if you see polite, one example is given, polite. So this is also an adjective. So for this adjective, if you add ly after the adjective, you will be getting the answer for, or you will be getting an adverb over there. Next, if you see exercise, you can see there also you have to add ly, just they have given form adverbs by adding ly. Bright, brightly, wise, wisely, loving, lovingly, fierce, fiercely, neat, neatly, loud, loudly, silent, silently, soft, softly. So you are, these all are the adjectives and you are going to add ly, so that you will be getting an adverb. Next, we will be moving to the exercise D. Fill in the blanks with the adverbs formed. Now here some of the words they are given, the same words from this exercise C, you are going to fill it up in the exercise D. The mother held her baby lovingly. Second is Tarun does his work neatly. Then the stars are shining brightly in the sky. The cat crept fiercely after the mouse. The dogs are barking loudly in the park. The baby was sleeping, so we were talking softly. The soldiers fought the enemy wisely, and the soldiers fought the enemy wisely, the mother dealt with the situation silently. So these all are the adverbs, we are going to fill it up in the exercise D. And the last exercise we can see there, E exercise, match the adverbs with their opposites. Now opposites are given and here adverbs are given. So you are going to match it, or you can write the answer in front of that. First one, see, carefully. So what is opposite for carefully? Yes, that is carelessly. Second is quickly, slowly, happily, sadly, foolishly, wisely, upstairs, downstairs, now, later. So in this way you all are going to solve exercise A, B, C, D and E. So this was all about adverbs. Once again we will be recalling this. What is an adverb? Adverb is a word that tells us more about a verb, it tells us more about an adjective, it tells more about another adverb. So this is the definition for adverb. Adverb is a word that tells us more about a verb, it tells more about an adjective, also it tells more about another adverb. And there are 5 types of adverbs, that is adverbs of manner. So here if you ask the question how, we will be getting the answer for adverbs of manner. How the action is done. Second type is what? Adverbs of place. If you ask a question where, if you ask a question that where the action is done, you will be getting the answer for adverbs of place. Then adverbs of time. If you ask the question over here, when the action is done, then you will be getting the answer for adverbs of time. And next is fourth one is adverbs of frequency. If you ask a question, how often the action is done, how often the action is done, you will be getting the answer for that adverbs of frequency. And then last is adverbs of degree. Here if you ask the question how much the action is done, then you will be getting the answer that for adverbs of degree. So these are the 5 types of adverbs. These are the 5 types of adverbs. Also we have seen with the different exercises. And one more thing we have learned, that how to form adverbs. It is very easy. Just you have to add ly to an adjective and you will be getting the answer for adverbs. So also we have done with the exercises. First exercise we have seen that here you are going to underline the adverbs, and then you are going to circle the adjectives, circle the verbs or adverbs, and then you will get the answer for that. Second exercise we have seen that you are going to underline the adverbs and you are going to mention their type. You are going to underline it with the pencil, and then in front of the sentence you are going to write the type of adverbs. Then next we have seen how to form adverbs. Here they have given some words. So you are going to use those words, you are going to see that adjectives, and just you are going to add ly to those adjectives, and then you will be getting adverbs. D exercise, if you see the same words which are there in exercise C, same words you are going to use for exercise D, and there you are going to fill up the blanks with those answers. And last exercise we have seen match the adverbs with their opposites. So you are going to match those adverbs with those opposite words. So I hope children you have understood this. So here if you see the picture down on page number 103, we are adverbs. See, they are telling, I tell you how an action is done. So that is adverb of manner. Second, I tell you where an action is done. That is adverb of place. Then third, I tell you when an action is done. There it is told that adverb and adverb of time. Then I tell you how often an action is done. It tells adverb of frequency. And last is I tell you how much an action is done. It tells adverb of degree. So I hope children you have understood with this lesson, that is adverb. So this is one of the part of speech we have learned till here. So we will be doing with the exercise, and I will be giving you the answers for those exercises. Thank you.